Are you a small YouTuber looking to grow your channel beyond your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time? I'm going to show you how to do it real fast right now. Welcome back. I'm Kaye from KevinKay.com, and on this channel I do YouTube tutorials, live streaming, and much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. The fastest way to grow your channel as a small YouTuber is to use rapid-paced growth networks like the ones I'm going to describe here. I'm building one of my own that's going to be ready soon, and we'll talk about that at the end of this video. So stick around. In less than 10 minutes, we're going to have your channel on your way beyond your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. The first growth network that we're looking at today is the Crockett Way. This is also a family channel, so they do a variety of videos, but she live streams very often and makes sure that she's connecting people the right way. This is one of the most giving, generous, and knowledgeable people that I've met in the last several months, a great supporter of mine personally, but she teaches people how to connect the right way, find you quality people, and make sure that you're getting people where the connections are going to stick. She's very well respected in the growth stream community, and you can see that because her top supporters, just for the last month, are right here in her featured channels list. They're all rapid-paced growth networks as well, I believe. So as we look at her front page, we see she's got a lot of different stuff going on here, but the live streams happen very often. So as well, there's many other kinds of videos and a lot of other knowledge that can be learned by people like the Crockett Way and Vern's Junk Closet, who visited her here. I've mentioned her in a past video. You can check that out on my channel as well. She's also got a few playlists here, and she's very active on her community tab. She uses it both for herself and to share out posts from other people, as you can see right here. I believe this is the first growth network on which I became a moderator, so if you connect with the Crockett Way, you'll likely find me hanging out there. The next channel that we're looking at is an unconventional rapid-paced growth network. This is a small business owner, Sean, from Minnesota Lawn and Landscape, runs a landscaping business as well as snow plowing during the winter, as you might expect, but he recently started live streaming for the last several months and helping people connect the way we saw in the last channel. Now, he does a spectacular job, and I really have a special place in my heart for this particular business and for Sean, just because he's very similar to my good friend Jeff in Do It All Sealing, which is the other half of my full-time job. We saw one of his channels in the last video. So right here, you'll see that Sean does a great job of making other videos as well regarding his business, as well as the live streams. He's been doing it for quite some time and very often. So there's a lot of stuff here. And I think you'll have a good time hooking up with Minnesota Lawn and Landscape. We have run playlists for each other, so that's something that you can connect with them for as well. And then when we look at Sean's community tab, we'll see that he's got that very active as well. So I hope you'll connect with Minnesota Lawn and Landscape. Much like the other growth networks here, Sean is a good, giving, and generous person and really enjoys helping people grow and helping people connect. I am a moderator on that channel, and I'll be happy to see you there. The next channel that we're looking at is Happy Lux, and I'm very happy to be featuring this channel. He just managed to hit his 10,000 subscribers. As you can see, he's got a lot of supporters, and he does a great job of promoting them as well. He does live streams all the time, as well as a few other kinds of videos on his channel that you can check out as well. The live streams go on and on and on, and what you'll find with Happy Lux, he goes on randomly. It's not a set schedule like some of the other growth networks, and you can see I'm there all the time. Of course, I am a moderator, but I really enjoy his streams. He has a much different style. It's like a party. He's got funny masks and filters that he uses. There's always music playing, and it really feels like a party. It's a great time. You're going to meet a lot of quality people. I've gained hundreds of subscribers from Happy Lux. when we look at his playlists, he's got a lot going on here. And he does run playlists for people, so you can absolutely get in contact with him and figure out how to get an arrangement for yourself. When we go on his community tab, we see that he's very active there as well. And again, he's got a lot of supporters featured on his channels page. So I hope you'll connect with Happy Lux. You're going to find yourself growing at a very rapid pace as soon as you get there, and I'll be happy to see you there. Next, we're moving on to Melda and Amra family. This is probably the growth network where I have gained the most subscribers, not to mention very quality people. You can see he's got a supporters list here, and of course I'm featured, but as well, they do other videos. He's got a beautiful family. Him and his wife like to play pranks on each other, and it really gives his channel a bit more of a personal feel where we're able to get to know him a little bit. I am on his streams sometimes 3 times a week. He's got lots of streams and lots of videos going on all the time. He's got a lot of playlists here of the recorded videos that they do, so you can check those out and support him that way as well. When we look at his community tab, we see that he's very active here, listing all kinds of different things, and they actually just released their merchandise, so you can check that out too. When we look at his channels page, we see that he's got that fairly well laid out. There I am again, among a bunch of very generous supporters. So I hope you'll connect with Melda and Amra family. Like I said, I've gained more subscribers from this growth network than any other method on YouTube combined for my personal channel. I am a moderator, so I'll be happy to see you there. The next channel that we're looking at is Tatiana Monet, who's not only a dynamic YouTuber, but also a singer and has a monster Instagram following. She's somebody you'll definitely want to connect with and is very knowledgeable and has a very loyal following. She does a lot of interesting things, as you can see here, so we'll take a look at her videos, and you can see she does a lot of posting. She's got several playlists here for you to check out as well. When we look at her community tab, you can see that she's also very active here. So I hope you'll connect with Tatiana Monet, as it is another growth stream that has gained me many quality subscribers. Now it's time for me to introduce you to TuberChat, the growth network that I'm currently building. It's almost ready, and we're going to start live streaming right away. This is going to be an amalgamation of all of the knowledge that I've gained over the last several months with the help of the TMC family and the Hoops Family Network, along with all the other growth networks that I mentioned here and a lot of my fantastic supporters. This is designed to get you beyond your first 1,000 subscribers and your first 4,000 hours of watch time at a very rapid pace. The channel's up and running, so you can subscribe right now and be ready when I start live streaming. As well, there's a Facebook page you can connect with, and we're on Twitter, and of course Instagram. The best way that you can stay informed and up to date about everything we're doing with TuberChat is to go to tuberchat.com and sign up for the email list. Thank you for watching the video. I hope I've given you a few resources that are going to help you get beyond your first 1,000 subscribers and your first 4,000 hours of watch time at a rapid pace. If you got some value out of this video, I'd love it if you'd give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody you think needs to see it, and I hope you'll subscribe. If you know of some other growth networks that I didn't mention in this video, feel free to share those down in the comments below. Let's make this a place where everybody can get some more information to help them. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss the next video, and I'll see you the next time from KevinKay.com. Take care. Bye-bye.